And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera about an hour ago, looking north on 13th Street North. And while you're looking at that, I have to mention that Jan Bradley got stuck on Stafford Drive North yesterday. She phoned me today. There was a whole bunch of people that helped her, a couple of couples, young couples and some individuals, and they spent about a half hour trying to dig her out. So she wanted to thank everybody that did that. So thank you. 1 degree was our low at 1 a.m. and 5 degrees was our high at noon. And right now we're at 4 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, winds out of the west southwest, and not too windy right now, but it's going to pick up again tonight, and it's going to pick up again tomorrow. But as everyone's been telling me, and it's a very common quote here in southern Alberta, you don't have to shovel snow. Take a look at the numbers on the screen here. Looking at some pretty healthy temperatures. Average for us is 4 degrees right now, so we're sort of, just seeing those evening temperatures starting to kick in, things starting to cool down in various areas. But we do have that Chinook Arch as you look out to the west, and you see that, and that's very indicative of an area of high pressure trying to dig into the south, low pressure center a little bit to the northwest, and then the gradient between the two becoming very tight. That's why the winds pick up, and that's why you get that kind of a peel back of the cloud deck and giving us that Chinook Arch and that cloud cover kind of skipping over the mountains. So here you see a forecaster showing today, we're just seeing that high thin cloud moving across. We don't have any precipitation attached to it here. Still seeing some precipitation as you look west, further west. You've got some of that pink shading, that mixed precipitation of snow and rain, and then snow in the higher elevations. As we get into Wednesday, things really calm down quite a bit, and that area of high pressure does take over. Any of the debris in terms of precipitation is diverted to the north. We do have some warnings out for blizzard situations, but way far north, Tuktoyaktuk, that far north is where the blizzards are happening. Down east in St. John's, 11 degrees. There is still that north-south trough that is moving through quite a heavy amount of rain, making its way through New Brunswick and the rest of the Maritime. So about a 72-hour window for this to really exit off into the Atlantic. So St. John's for this weekend will be fairly damp. -7 degrees in Winnipeg right now, -7 in Regina, -3 in Saskatoon, 0 in Edmonton, 4 in Kelowna, 9 and cloudy on the coast in Vancouver, and up north both Whitehorse and Yellowknife seeing some flurry light snowfall activity at this hour. Overnight forecasts for the region for you folks in East Kootenay, looking at cloudy skies tonight down to -2, sun and cloud mix +2 tomorrow, winds will be out of the west, Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy tonight and windy tomorrow, mainly sunny and 4 degrees for you, and your winds will be out of the west tomorrow at 50 to 70 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. For Medicine Hat, looking at a few clouds tonight down to -6, +4 tomorrow. Lots of sunshine for you. West winds at 20, gusting to 40 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. And here in Lethbridge, looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, windy tonight, -3 for a low, and then partly cloudy tomorrow, windy, gusting to 50 in the afternoon, +6 for a daytime high tomorrow. And there's your 5-day forecast. See that sunshine really starts to dig in on Thursday and holds fast right through the next several days. 10 degrees, the estimated high on Sunday. Monday's looking about 8 or 9 and a sun and cloud mix right now. So we do have a solid area of high pressure moving in to give us lots of sunshine during the daytime hours for the next few days. Now, if you're going to be out walking your pet in the next little while, of course, there's all kinds of slushy conditions that we have to look forward to with the milder temperatures. You want to make sure to wash off your pet's paws when they come in. Antifreeze, salt, things like that gets on the bottom, and then they have a tendency to lick, as you know, and you don't want them doing that. They can get ill. So that's our Focus on Safety message for this week. Have a safe evening, everyone.